Hi everyone, my name is Lorenzo Murzilli, co-founder of DroneTalks, and I am here with Shay Levy from FlightOps.io, which is a fresh winner of the CEO of the Year award in the category Startup here at the Aerial Cities event. Congratulations, Shay.
Thank you. It's a great honor for us. And I'm saying for us because it's a team effort. I have all my team, all my partners, all my customers contributing to that. Really appreciate the chance to be here, participate in that event.
Excellent. And I've been talking with the jury panel and those who have been evaluating, the multitude of, requests to become a winner. And I think the consensus is very clear. Like, I believe you won this award because you are actually powering this industry, I don't want to say from behind the scenes, but you are the one that's just doing the work and is powering those which are more visible, and you are doing it consistently, reliably, and this is what I got everybody excited. So tell us a little bit, like, what are you actually doing? What is your business, and why do you think you got to win this award? Like, what is the technology and what is going on?
For the past 4 years, being in the commercial drone environment, we've been talking all the time about scalability. So 2 years ago, when we accessed customers, they hardly understood what it was. So they will find either a single drone or a limited operation. And we told them videos, scalability, multi-drone, stuff like that. We didn't get a lot of potential. And what we've seen happening mostly 2022 is the conversation shifted to scalability. And that's exactly what we're providing. We're providing the infrastructure to scale. The infrastructure to scale on the distance, going from line of sight to beyond the line of sight, and beyond digital line of sight. So we're talking about long distance and the technology to support that. Handling communication and handling all of those use cases. We're talking about scale up, the number of missions that you can perform, the number of drones, all in shared airspace. We're talking about the variety of platforms that you can deploy in the same operation. So you can work with small drones for inspection. We always give the example of an oil rig. So an oil rig buys a drone system to inspect the oil rig itself, but does it need to have an additional system to do a ship-to-shore delivery? It has to be the same infrastructure that uses different types of drones, different types of sensors. And this is exactly what we do. Our technology is an infrastructure for service providers, solution developers, drone manufacturers, payload manufacturers to integrate into one ecosystem. And we actually pushing this concept in the future as a drone middleware that allows everything to connect. We have applications, excellent applications. These are not our focus. We are empowering our customers to build their own application into our software operating system and middleware, so they can enjoy the variety of the markets. Drones, you see, drone manufacturers, there's a lot of options.
Excellent. This is super interesting. It seems almost like sometimes too early, right? In the sense that in people that are not aware that companies such as yours exist, you're still thinking about the VLOS, almost manually controlled, and you're talking about multi-drone VLOS ops, over continents, right? But it's actually real. So I would like to ask you, give us a sense of how real that is, right? What's actually happening? Like, you got permissions to fly, you are powering actual customers in which regions? I want to give our audience here a sense of this is actually real. It's not just a fantasy that Shay's here and talking about that it's going to happen in 25 years, right?
So we start from what happens back home in Israel. So in Israel, prior to founding the company, our first step was, can we certify it or not? Because that's the main question. If you can't certify, there's no business. We're very business focused on the business already. what's the business process, what's the business case that we're serving, and we invested a lot of time and effort in developing the technology and certifying it for beyond visual line of sight, multi-drone and urban operations. So we're certified on specific operations. We're certified today to have commercial operations beyond visual line of sight, multi-drone and urban operations on actual, in this case, medical deliveries that we're doing. We're doing with the operating part. We're a software company.
Yes.
We're all about technology. This was our I would say, our vision to begin with, and our philosophy that it has to be business. It has to be based on a viable business, and it has to make sense, and it has to work. It has to be operational to start with. It has to be a product. I would say the end of 2022 was surprising for us. The amount of interest in customers and MOUs, and not only customers, but surprising, and what pushes us to understanding that our approach as a middleware operating system is right, is the number of partners, both our sensor manufacturers, hardware manufacturers, drone manufacturers, data services that want to connect. This proves that there's something real happening in that market, which was not that clear 2 years ago. It's not that clear. And I think that all the barriers, when you have a viable business, all the barriers that exist would fade in the end.
Absolutely. And I guess with this, I think you provided us kind of an explanation of why you were awarded this award, right? The idea that is happening, it's real, it's a viable and existing business, it's growing, but it's also a good perspective over the industry overall, which is it's becoming real as well, with real use cases beyond visual line of sight. So it's a message of hope for the industry and of course for yourself as a company. So thank you very much, Shay, and congratulations again.
Thank you very much. I'm honored. This was an amazing event for us. We met some amazing people here, including first time here meeting your team. It's not the first time we've met, but the first time meeting your team. And looking forward for next year.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you very much.